In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Exness demo account. Now to do this, first you want to sign into your account on Exness. If you don't have it, you want to create one, and then just of course sign in and you'll get the access to your Exness personal area. Here, go to the top left, click on Trading, and then click on Accounts. Inside here, you can switch between real and demo accounts. So to create a demo account, click on Demo, and then click on Open Account here in the top right. You can then go and pick the account you want to open. There's 2 standard accounts and of course 3 professional account options. Pick the one you want. I'm gonna go with the standard one, and I'm gonna hit the Continue button here at the bottom. Once you do this, you want to make sure it says demo up top. It says risk-free account, trade with virtual money. That's what we want over here. And then go and pick your currency. So as you can see, there's a bunch of different ones. I'm actually going to go and change this one, for example, to something else. Let's actually find something I'm going to use. I'm actually going to do just, let me find the euros over here, if I can do that, or if I cannot. There we go. We can also type it in, of course. I'm going to type euro, and then there we go. I'm going to use euros. Starting balance can also be set. For this one, I'm going to do it 10K, but it's up to you what you want to do here. The nickname can also be set. I'm going to name this one new demo account, and then I'm going to put the leverage on here as well. Of course, you can go and select the leverage. You have custom, you have 1 to 2, 1 to unlimited. I'm going to do 1 to 100, and then the platform can also be selected. You have 3 options: MT5, which is MetaTrader 5, MT4, which is MetaTrader 4, or Exness. So it says for each and every single one of these what they're best for. Pick the one that you want. I'm going to go with Exness for now. And then from here, I'm going to click on Create Account. If you actually pick MT5 or MT4, you're also going to need a trading password over here, because of course you're going to have that if you want to later sign in to MT5 or MT4 with your account and trade on there. So once you do this, you can just go and hit the Create Account button, and that's really all you have to do. You've successfully created your Exness demo account. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.